Paano nga ba nagkaroon ng 7 Wonders of the World? Sino at paano ba pinili ang mga ito? And why 7 not 6 or 8 wonders? Ang new 7 Wonders ay nasa bucket list ng maraming travelers. Kasama sa list ang Machu Picchu, Colosseum, Christ the Redeemer, the Great Wall, Petra, Chichen Itza at Taj Mahal. All these 7 wonders are also recognized as UNESCO World Heritage Sites and pinili sila noong 2007 through an online contest. Nagkaroon kasi ng global voting platform ang New 7 Wonders Foundation para raw may democratic participation and worldwide consensus. Marami raw kasing platforms sa TV, travel companies and websites ang nagsasabi kung ano ang mga world wonders. Kaya for the first time in history, naisip ng New 7 Wonders na magkaroon ng botohan from people all over the world to choose the world wonders. Initially, may more than 200 contenders sa list, kasama ang mga ancient and modern wonders, hanggang pumili ang mga expert judges ng 21 finalists para pagbotohan. Kasama sa list ang Eiffel Tower, Statue of Liberty, Angkor Wat at Acropolis in Athens. Hanggang sa nagkaroon ng botohan through the internet and telephone, and after more than 100 million votes ay napili ang new 7 wonders of the world. So bakit 7 at hindi 5 or 10? Dahil based ito sa 7 wonders of the ancient world that were chosen by the Greeks 2,000 years ago, kung saan kasama rin sa listahang yon ang Great Pyramid of Giza. And ang number 7 represents perfection for Greeks. It also reflected from the number of planets known by Greeks that time plus the sun and moon. Marami rin nagsasabi na unfair ang naging sistema ng botohan dahil voting through the internet is not fair for least developed countries tulad ng Cambodia na may limited access sa internet noon and sinasabing unbelievable daw na walang nakapasok